if you haven't listened to anything, you should definitely listen to this. I just remember the beginning, me being afraid to market and be afraid to say that we're the best, and that like nobody ever walks around and tells you now you've done enough to be the number one lawn care or landscape or construction or whatever you are. Embodying that early on and then shouting that from the rooftops, because if you're going to go out and you're going to do everything you can to bring value and be an awesome company, then you are like, you're the best. You're one of the best. Like, you need to market that way. You need to be okay with that. You need to just push your message all the time. And don't worry about if it's wrong or if it's right. Just try, shoot, get more comfortable, put it out there. I heard something awesome last week. What do you remember from the news feed on Facebook last week? You remember nothing. We all see so much shit that just because you looked like a dumbass for 2 seconds, someone went by it and you felt goofy, so you didn't post it, so stretched out the time it's going to take you to get comfortable because you're too afraid to post anything. Like,
your competitor posted 5 times.
Yeah,
though.
like I posted 5 times. I looked like a dumbass in 3. Maybe 3 of them where I looked like a dumbass were actually better because people laughed. Be loud, be out there, be you.
Be you in all of your goofiness, because we're not all walking around like these confident, badass motherfuckers that are like, I'm untouchable because I'm so badass and I'm building this company. Just like you said, be proud of what you're building. Even if you just started, be proud as fuck because you started. That's what we bring to social media as well. The goofiness, the personalities. You get to see everybody's personalities. And I think that that's beautiful, because clients and candidates, but especially candidates, will cling to a personality that they'll feel attracted to that. They'll feel a kinship with that when you put it out there transparently, whether it's yours or your crew guy or your office assistant. They'll feel that instant connection and they'll be attracted to that. And that might be enough. And if you don't put that out there, your competitor already did. 6% of the people who follow you will see the posts that you post. And they'll probably only see it if they engaged with the last post. And if the last 3 posts were pictures of grass and nobody liked them, you're just making that 6% smaller. Nobody gives a shit. Nobody wants to engage in that. Yes, you're very proud of the work that you did. Honestly, truly, nobody else gives a fuck. That's why you have to tell stories, be funny, be engaging, ask questions, do things that connect with other people on a real life level, not just as business owners and as hiring managers. Tell stories about the little bunnies that you almost cut all their heads off and then you had to relocate them, because that's going to tug at heartstrings. It's going to get shared. It's going to be like, oh, tell stories about the flat tire you got, because everybody resonates with how a flat tire can screw up your day. Tell these stories, and the more people are engaging with your social media, the more likely it is that when you post, I'm looking for a great person, that older lady who thought that rabbit story was so cute, she's going to see that post because she just engaged with you. So it was the first thing to pop up on her newsfeed when you posted it, and her grandson happens to be looking for a job right now. So she tags him in that, and then boom, you get a badass employee. That's how you fucking do it. It's not by sitting around thinking you drove your truck down a main road today. Why the hell aren't people calling you and applying for a job with you? You also have to make it easy. Get your job description, get all your information, get the map of the candidate journey, answer every single question that a person could have about pay, benefits, etc. Put it on a careers page on your website, and you need to have an online application, because if you can't even answer the phone because you're so overwhelmed that you're letting go of jobs, if you don't answer the phone, that person that's seeking a job that's a total badass stud, you didn't answer the phone, he called the next person. Now he's got a job. It's done. By the time you even check your voicemail. It's all about speed. It's about being out there, and it's about making it easy.